Hey, you know this guy here, Grandpa gets so much out of pans, but he cannot be the man in the pan. So hey,
Okay.
so who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, big shaka. Here's the greatest family. I'm in Honolulu Bakery, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka to man in the pan. My sweet friend over here. But who's the fastest chef?
Well, the man in the pan.
Okay,
Oh
big
yeah. Number one.
This guy, he loves food. He comes shop KTA. Man, he can eat. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, big shaka. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something super exciting for you. You know, everybody loves to eat fish, right? And you know, there's not too many fresh fish, but you can use this for opelu, you can use this for all kinds of fish. But I'm going to use it for this crimson snapper. Comes all IQF, frozen in a bag, okay? One fish fillet, just like this. Wipe it to make sure that there's no moisture on it. On the fillet side, just add on a little garlic powder and just a little bit salt. Now, the fillet here, to make it cook faster, so we got two halves. Then I'll get one bag, just like this, right? Plastic bag, dump in some cornstarch. You can use flour, you can use anything you want. And then I shake it up like this, right? Then now I'm going to get a little bit of oil in there. You can see, right? Sure the pan is hot. Grab the fillet, shake off all the excess cornstarch. And I fry the skin side first, because I like it crispy. Well, the thing is frying. I made my topping. So I chopped off some green onions. I got some black beans, put it in there. I chopped up some ginger really fine. Add it into the mix, just like this. I put in some longkyo. Grab this, and you dice it all up. Okay? And put it in the bowl. There you go. This is gonna be your topping. Okay, we're gonna top the fish with. So I'm putting that on the side. Using very little oil in here because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put another coat of oil on. And again, I use like olive oil because it's healthy and good for you. My wife always makes this flour arrangement. Yeah, so it makes it a very enjoyable place to cook. And when you're happy, the food tastes better. So one side is fried, you grab it and you turn it over and fry the other side, okay? Okay, I think it's about done. Take out the fish, put it on the plate. Now, in this pan, turn it on, turn the heat down. You add in a little bit more olive oil. Just like this, okay? Kind of heat up the olive oil. Then you grab, you remember all these things that I made? Dump it all on here. Just like this, okay? You add a little bit shoyu on top, okay? Then here's the kicker. See, that's the reason why I heat up the extra olive oil. Turn it off, and I spread it right on. Baga look good. Man. You know, the texture of the longkyo and the taste of the fish and the black beans and everything is so unbelievably good. The problem with this, once you start, it's hard to stop. Awesome. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.